This is virus program for MTech first sem computer science under VTU. Design and develop a program to realize the virus classification such as boot sector infector, file infector and macro virus. Let us see how this program works. Hash include stdio.h, io.h, dos.h, directory.h, conio.h, time.h. Just have a look at this program. We execute this program in Turbo C, and when we execute this whole program, whatever is this virus program, it gets copied to all the files in that directory. So now, like, the contents of the old files are replaced with this. So every file acts as a virus now. Whenever you execute any other file in that directory, it's again a virus file which we are executing. So while executing this program, place this file in a separate directory which is not of any risk. Okay, file star virus and star host. This we are taking two file pointers, then integer done and a is equal to 0, unsigned long x, character buffer, it's an array of characters, then struct ffblk is a built-in structure. It stores all the file information like file name, file size, etc. There is no comma here. It is struct ffblk, then clock underscore t, start and end. So this is also a built-in data type, clock. Then void main start. Okay, this clock is a built-in command. When we are saving the clock tick in integer, this clock tick is t. Start time of the clock we are noting. Then clear screen. Done is equal to find first. Find first is a built-in command to find the file that matches this pattern. Here we are giving star dot star. You can give any pattern you want. Star dot star matches to all the files which has some dot in it. Then address of ffblk. Now the file that it finds will be stored here. Then 0 is the type of file. If we give 0, it means a normal file. We have different numbers for hidden file, for directory and others. So we are giving 0 here. Then while not done. So if you find some file, then done will be 0. So while not done, virus is equal to open the file. argv of 0 refers to this file itself. So open this file -argv of 0 in read mode. B stands for binary file in read mode. Then host is equal to fopen ffblk.ff underscore name. This is file name which we got here. In RP places read write mode. So open this file and open another file in read write mode. If host is equal to null, go to next. If we are not able to open that file, then what we do is we'll go to next. Here is the next label. Close all. Close the previously opened this virus file. Then done is equal to find next. Go to next file at the address of ffblk. Okay. So x is equal to 89088. This is the size of a C program file or some file. It's usually 89088 bytes, so we are taking x is equal to 89088. Printf infecting this file name ff underscore name. I think this a is not required. Then while x is greater than 0, fread. These are all built-in functions. Buffer. Okay, we are telling read 2048 bytes of one block from virus file and store it to buffer, and whatever is there in buffer that you write to host file. 2048 bytes from buffer and one block. X is equal to, again, okay, we'll subtract 2048. Then again, now suppose, so it's a loop. Now suppose that x is Now less than 2048, whatever is remaining, again we are writing the leftover thing. F read is equal to buffer x comma 1 comma virus. So whatever is whatever bytes are left, those things will be returned to from virus file to buffer, then from buffer to host. A plus plus, for A gives the number of count of files which we have infected. Next, okay, this is the next label. Again it will close all the files, then done is equal to find next. Okay, it will find the next file. Here the while loop closes, so it is an infinite while loop. So it will again come here, it will open that file again for the next file, it will infect, it continues. Now printf, done. Total file infected, we have that in variable a, which we are incrementing here. So right here end is equal to clock time. So clock we have given start here, and now we are giving end. So from it will give the end timings, I mean current clock timings. So printf done, total file infected is %da, end clock, sorry it's repeated 2 times, I have to repeat it. Printf time taken is end minus start divided by clock tck. So this is again built in, it will give the time that took to execute this program, get ch, then done. Thank you, bye bye.